trying to figure out who is ICE and who is not ICE.
What's your address?
The rules around immigration stops have just changed. Meanwhile, the number of ICE impersonations is going up. The Supreme Court just ruled that ICE agents can question anyone based on the color of their skin, the language they speak, even the type of work they're doing. And that's why 13 fact finders are laying out your rights and what to do if ICE comes to your home.
It matters where you are when you're approached by officers, but the first step is always the same: stay calm.
We advise people don't run away, don't lie, don't give misinformation. That's just going to cause more trouble for that individual.
Attorney Mo Goldman has been taking immigration cases for more than 20 years. If officers come to your home, he says,
they cannot just, come and bang down the door. A person inside that home has to ask, number one, who's at the door, has to ask for some sort of identification or proof that the person is indeed in law enforcement. And also they have to request if it is somebody in that capacity, a judicial warrant.
What happens next is crucial. A judicial warrant looks like this. It's from a specific court signed by a judge. Homeland Security has an administrative warrant that looks like this and does not give them the right to enter a home. So how do you get a good look at that warrant?
The law enforcement either has to show it up at a window. The person should not open the door for law enforcement, because the moment you open the door, you're allowing them to enter. Or they have to slide it under the doorway or somehow get it through a way that the door does not open.
If they do have the correct warrant and enter, you can invoke your right to stay silent and to ask for a lawyer, but with a caveat.
If they are asked for proof and they have it on them, they are required to show it.
So work permits, tourist visas, any document should be presented. Next, if you are arrested, take careful note if you're issued an alien registration number. Get that A number to friends and family immediately, because that is the way to track a person in ICE custody through an ICE detainee locator online. You or a loved one should also reach out to the consulate from the home country. And until you consult that lawyer,
don't sign any documents that basically are saying you're agreeing to be deported, unless you want to do that.
This week we learned a former DACA recipient died in ICE custody. Goldman points out DACA status is a murky area right now, as more DACA recipients are being detained and at least 18 deported. The Department of Homeland Security urges recipients to self-deport, saying Obama-era deferred action for childhood arrivals does not protect people from deportation.